Hello, it's the Geo Tutor here. Are you a parent who's living with students whose exam results have been a little bit disappointing this year? Whether it's GCSE, AS or A-level, I can help you. Whether you're looking to resit in November or whether you're going to take a year to maybe improve those grades, I can offer guidance. I can offer intensive tuition, or we can put a plan in place to suit individual learners. No one size fits all. Whatever though, get in touch. www.thegeotutor.co.uk if you're looking to improve that grade and continue on your. Together we can achieve success.